Hey you guys, just want to show you my succulents. They're coming together pretty good. We had a pretty brutal winter, too much rain, but I think they're coming back. Let me turn the camera around so you can check it out. So here you go. We have fire sticks, various succulents, and they're looking pretty decent despite the rain we had and the cold weather. I potted these last summer. And you know what? They look really beautiful. The oranges are just popping. The violets, the reds, the jade. Everything's looking pretty darn good. Despite all the water we had and stuff. But the oranges are just spectacular right now. So this is just the potted ones I potted. And they're doing very well. I think if we come over here to some of my other ones I potted last year, they're doing very well. I chopped this one off last year, the mama, and it's looking pretty good. It's got some babies coming in. Here's a little one I made too. This little creation I did. It came out. It's doing good. It's coming back. Here's a baby. Echeveria. I chopped the head off and the babies are coming in. It looks pretty freaking good. Then of course we have these here I potted last year and they're taking root, looking good. Made it through the winter. Then of course the masterpiece. I love this one. It'll get more yellow when the sun hits it. It came out really good. It's a jade. It's coming together pretty good. And then over here we have these little vignettes we made last summer, and they're doing very well. I like the blues. Watch out, there's snails. You see that? Snails, no good. But these are coming out very well. Super healthy. Purple's looking good. The jade's not looking nice. And then the jelly bean. Look at that. What a beauty. Beautiful. So we got that. And then we have some more up here. Just some starters in there. And then I got some more potted ones I did. Kind of keep them up here away from the water and the wind. But they're doing very well. So the mint, this one's amazing. Smells really good. Then of course the Echeverias right here, they're doing very well. They like direct sun. Direct sun, no water. These things grow, look at, here's my hand. It's pretty, it's pretty huge. But a lot of bugs here, you gotta keep your eye out for the bugs. And then here we go, we have another, this one's like a mint type of, smells unbelievable. It smells just like mint. I'm not sure the name of it, but I planted this last year and it's just taken off. Check it out. It's super healthy. One of the problems is snails love this. I don't like snails, but they like hanging out on this thing. I don't know why the snails love this guy so much, but indirect light, super beautiful. And just some of them I'll make another video of the other plants I got. So if you like them, let me know, because I want to be liquidating plants. Okay, talk to you later. Bye.